Don't be lonesome tonight. Get your tickets to a night in Vegas so that you can hit the blackjack table after you're done hitting the books.
Okay, all I have to do is subtract 3 from the left side of the equation and then solve for x.
Maybe we can start with an easier question?
Or except I'm going to fail.
You can do this. You just have to focus.
On something else.
One kiss.
Well, I'm assuming this is why you're failing math?
Mom, what are you doing here?
Emergency school board meeting. I thought you came early to study.
Allie and I were just taking a break.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Torres.
You know, that stink bomb gave you an extra day to study. Don't waste it.
Great. And your mom thinks I'm some skank like Bianca who makes out with a different guy every week.
No, she doesn't. She just can't accept I suck at school. So, where were we?
About to conquer quadratics. I won't be the reason you bomb this exam.
You won't be.
Okay, so for this one, you just divide both sides of the equation by 3, and that way you've isolated the variable. Simple, right? Quadratics. So quadratics, just remember that ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's what it should look like. From there, you can go ahead and do your own thing. You got it?
Ow, what? Sorry?
2 exams in 2 hours. You have to learn this.
Well, believe me, I've tried. I just don't understand why my mom forces me to take university track math when I can barely handle long division.
I have a problem you could solve. The zipper on my hoodie's stuck.
I guess I could take a look.
How could I ever thank you?
I'm sure he'll find a way. What? We were just talking.
Yeah, it looked more like flirting.
Science exam done, only math to go, and rumors are rampant. Quadratics are definitely on it.
Great, something else I don't know.
Last minute cram session. Who's that? Your new girlfriend. Why is Bianca sending you sexy photos?
I don't know.
I'm kidding.
No, don't give her the satisfaction.
But you're my boyfriend.
Yes, and I'll take care of it.
So I have nothing to worry about?
Only teaching me quadratics before the bell rings.
Fine.
Did you get my text?
I have a girlfriend.
So?
So you can't be sending me sexy photos.
You didn't like them?
No, I did. It's just
You have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Didn't seem like you had one this morning. Why should the biggest catch at school just settle for one girl?
I like Allie.
I don't care. Listen, change your mind. I'll be in the boiler room at 4. No strings. Remember, what girlfriend doesn't know won't hurt her.
Final exams of the semester. For those among you that hoped yesterday's stink bomb would save you, I applaud your optimism. Phones?
Holy crap. Is that Bianca?
Note the rose tattoo on the lower back.
I guess she's a romantic at heart.
I know it's not fair. They put all these hot girls in our school and we're expected to just choose one.
You regretting your decision?
No, I like Allie more than any other girl I've ever dated.
Phones.
But?
Bianca asked me to the boiler room.
Oh, man.
I know, dude, divulge.
Well, that's where people go to hook up.
Oh, wait. Hook up, you mean like
Orally.
no strings attached?
Anytime you get intimate with a girl, there are strings attached. You're not actually considering it.
Because that would be wrong.
I don't know. Ask Allie.
Gotcha.
Okay, you have exactly 2 hours. Make them count. Time is up. Pencils down. Could I have your paper, Mr. Torres?
Hey, how'd it go?
Fine.
So easy, right? I bet you laughed when you saw that last question.
Which one was that?
The area of a sphere. We went over that like a million times. You got 8, right?
Yep, 8.
And that question with the train? Did you remember what to do when n was less than 20?
Allie, stop it.
Why? What's wrong?
It's just, the exams are over. I think we should start focusing on something else. Like how we're gonna spend the next 2 hours.
I'll be at Claire's getting ready for Vegas night,
Right.
but I can cancel.
No, it's fine, go.
Okay, but don't forget me.
I won't.
The correct answer is I couldn't, but that'll do. Look, I'm sure you did fine on the exam.
Yeah, me too.
Just a little bit of your sweet love, I swear it's all I need. Deep down in my soul, you're my empty girl. I'm hooked on you for sure, so what I need, so what I need, to get me back. Oh yeah, you're what I need.
I have a girlfriend.
So I've heard.
What do we do now?
Don't be nervous. I'll take it from here.
I'll give you